Hello everybody, my name is Carol Wells. My husband Ron and I have lived here for 17 years without electricity. And since we have met Brian and his company, we have electricity. We have air conditioning. I can bake without having to worry about the generator. We came to Paradise, 17 years, it was so-so. Now it is paradise. So thank you, I-VERT. Basically, we can do everything we want to. We have electricity. Don't worry about having to switch a generator on to watch television, to do laundry. All we do is just do it. Totally, absolutely recommend I-VERT Energy. I can check status of the solar power and how much we're using. Brian is there. Any questions we may have, I can highly recommend him and his company.